Hello.
Yes, we had a missed call from here, Queensland Solar and Lighting yesterday.
Oh yeah, mate. It's about upgrading or putting a new solar panels to the house.
Oh yeah, do you currently have a system on there at the moment?
That's a system there, but it's a 2.5.
Oh yeah.
I was thinking what's the best like upgrade or put a new one, leave the old one there or something. I'm not sure.
Yeah, you could probably put on. Did you just buy the house? Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you can put on a new one for 4,500 for a 6.6 kilowatt.
Oh, okay. 6.6 4,500.
Yeah, and that's removing your old system and then putting your new one up, all installed.
Yeah, but keeping the old system doesn't harm it. It's worth.
No, throw that fucking thing out, mate.
Sorry?
Throw it out. Yeah, we'll just take it off and give it to you. Yeah, you don't want it up there.
Well, sorry, what do you mean? Why are you thinking to take it out? Any particular reason? It's working at the moment.
Nah, piece of shit, man. You don't want it up there because you get a 6 point. You can already max out when we put a new one up there. Just get rid of it.
What happens when you max out? You won't get anything.
What's that?
What happens when you max out?
You're not allowed to put any more on.
Okay.
So you can put on another one, a 3 kilowatt next to it. Is that what you want to do? They're only $500 cheaper, mate. And then you got two systems up there and one ready to give up the ghost any day because you wanted to save $500.
How much for 6.5?
6.6 kilowatt installed, ripping your old one off is 4,500.
4,500. Okay, that's a good deal, man. I'll call you back. I will contact you.
All right, no worries then, buddy.
Thanks, man. Thank you very much.
All right, see you, mate. Bye.